Hi students, welcome to today's class. So today I am going to explain the problems given in just previous JEE mains examination problems I am going to explain. So let us see this problem. So they are very easy to solve. Okay. So see the first problem. So it was given in 29th January JEE mains examinations. So it is a integral 1 to 2 t to the power of 4 plus 1 upon t power 6 plus 1 dt. Then how to solve this type of problems. So let us see the solution. First to see the denominator t power 6 plus 1, t power 6 plus 1. Can I write it as a t square whole cube plus 1 cube? Can I write it as a t square whole cube 1 cube? Right, we can write it as. So it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now so first you write it in the denominator is like that. So you call it as a I. I is equal to integral 1 to 2. So here t to the power of 4 plus 1 is there. So I write it as it is. In the denominator t square plus 1 into t power 4 minus t square plus 1 dt. Okay now? Right. See here t to the power of 4 minus t square plus 1 is there. Here t square plus 1 is there. Here t to the power of 4 plus 1 is there. Here also t to the power of 4 plus 1 is there. Minus t square is not there. So numerator, just to rearrange the terms like this, integral 1 to 2. So this is equal to t power 4 minus t square plus 1 plus t square by, so therefore this is equal to t square plus 1 into t to the power of 4 minus t square plus 1 dt. So in the numerator what I did, so we did that adding and subtracting t square, adding and subtracting plus t square minus t square. Okay. Separate this, these two will be cancelled, these two will be cancelled. So this is equal to integral 1 to 2. So this is a cancel 1 by t square plus 1 dt plus so in the denominator this will come. So in the denominator of this here t power 4 minus t square plus 1 cancel. In the denominator again integral 1 to 2. So this is a t square, only t square by t square plus 1 into t to the power of 4 minus t square plus 1 dt. Okay now? Right. So this is very clear. This is a direct answer, that is a tan inverse of t. So we will apply upper limit and lower limit. Now what about that integral 1 to 2 t square by t square plus 1 into t to the power of 4 minus t square plus 1. So let us see here. Here only we have to think. So forget about this. So for time being, so let us concentrate on that. Okay. So let us call it as a I1. I1. So integral 1 to 2. So this is a t square by t square. See here, t square plus 1 into t to the power of 4 minus t square plus 1 is nothing but how much? T power 6 plus 1. That means what? T power 6 plus 1 means t cube whole square plus 1 dt. Understand here? See here, t cube plus 1 into t to the power of 4 minus t square plus 1 is nothing but t to the power of 6 plus 1. T to the power of 6 plus 1. Understand? So t to the power of 6 plus. From this we can easily say that. So here t cube is there, here t square is there. Here t cube is there, here t square is there. So can you substitute the problem? Substitution method can we do? What is the substitution means here? Put t cube is equal to some u. Again, put t cube is equal to some u. So this becomes 3t square dt is equal to d cube. 3t square t cube, 3t square dt is equal to d cube. So this is a t square dt is equal to 1 by 3 du. 1 by 3 du. T square dt is equal to 1 by 3 du. Okay. Now our problem will change into like this integral. Okay. So the limit here 1. So if you substitute t is equal to 1, u is equal to 1. If you substitute t is equal to 2, u is equal to 8. It is 8. Understand? So t square dt means 1 by 3 du, 1 by, here this is equal to t cube means how much? U square. So this is equal to u square plus 1. U square plus 1. Understand this? Now we will combine these two. So this is the integral 1 to 2, 1 by t square plus 1 dt. So here integral 1 to 8, 1 by u square plus 1. U square plus 1. Okay now? So let us combine these two values and we will get the final solution. Okay. Welcome to this remaining part. So this is equal to integral 1 to 2, 1 by 1 plus t square dt. So this is equal to tan inverse of t. Upper limit, lower limit. Upper limit, lower limit. Okay now? So this is equal to 1 by 3 into tan inverse of u. Upper limit and lower limit. Okay now? Right. Now let us substitute all the values. So this is equal to tan inverse of 2 minus tan inverse of 1 plus 1 by 3 into. So this is equal to tan inverse of 8 minus tan inverse of 1. Okay now? Minus tan inverse of 1. So let us rearrange the terms. So this is equal to tan inverse of 2 plus 1 by 3 tan inverse of 8. See here tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4. Here also pi by 4. So this is equal to minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. Here also minus pi by 4 will go, but here 3 is there. Minus 3 pi by 4. Minus 3 pi by 4. So tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4. So that is equal to minus 4 pi by 4. So that is equal to minus pi. So let us check minus pi. So this is equal to minus pi. Once you check anywhere mistake is there. So 1 by 3 tan inverse of u is equal to tan inverse of 8. So 1 by tan inverse of 2 plus 1 by 3 tan inverse of 8. So here tan inverse of 8 minus tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 means tan pi by 4. So this is equal to pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So here tan inverse of 8 minus tan inverse of, there you will get minus 3 pi by 4. So minus pi minus 3 pi minus 4 pi by 4. So you are getting minus pi. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So it is also one of the JEE mains problems. Then how to do this problem? Okay now. So let us see here. So this is the problem is integral 1 by 2 to 2 tan inverse of x dx is equal to how much? So this type of problems can be done like this. Put x is equal to 1 by t. Put x is equal to 1 by t. Let us see what happens. So therefore this implies dx is equal to minus 1 by t square dt. So you call it as a I. Therefore your I will change to, call it as a equation number 1. Integral. Now the limits also will change. In place of x substitute 1 by 2, then t will be 2. Substitute 2, x is equal to 2, therefore t is equal to 1 by 2. Tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by t. So this is equal to tan inverse of 1 by t by x value is 1 by t into dx value is equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Okay now, minus 1 by t square dt. Okay. So see here, minus is there, no? So be minus, better you change these limits. Okay. So this is equal to integral 1 by 2 to 2. So here 1t will get cancelled. Tan inverse of 1 by 2, tan inverse of 1 by x is nothing but cot inverse of x under these limits. Okay. So this is equal to cot inverse of t by 1t will get cancelled, t dt. So you call it as I, you call it as second equation. See here, t dt, they are just dummy variable. So t dt. So we are with respect to t we are integrating. So we can change these two also, t. Okay, no problem. So this is equal to I is equal to 1 by 2 to 2. So this is a cot inverse of x by x dx. Dx you call it as second. This you call it as second equation. Okay, now see here. So this is the first equation, second equation, 1 by 2 to 2. So 1 by 2 to 2. Tan inverse of x by x, cot inverse of x by x dx. So this is equal to I plus I. 2i is equal to integral 1 by 2 to 2. Tan inverse of x plus adding both the equations. Tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x pi by 2. We know that. So this is equal to pi by 2 by x dx. So take it as a pi by 2 common outside. So 1 by x is equal to how much? Ln x. Ln x upper limit, lower limit. Okay, now. So this is equal to pi by 2 into ln 2 minus ln 1 by 2. Upper limit, lower limit. So this is equal to pi by 2 into ln means ln 1 by 2 means what? 2 power minus 1. Minus 1 will come here plus 1. ln 2 plus ln 2, 2 ln 2. 2 ln 2. Okay, now. So here 2 will get cancelled, but don't forget that 2i, this is the 2i value, but we want I value only. So I value is given as a pi by 2 into ln 2. I is given as pi by 2 into ln 2. Okay, now? Right. I hope that very easy problem. The whole problem lies by taking x is equal to 1 by 2. So if you start with this substitution, the solution will be very easy. Okay, now? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So here the number of roots of e to the power of 4x plus 8 into e power 3x plus 13 into e power 2x minus 8 into e power x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the number of roots are how many? Now let us solve this equation by taking e power x is equal to t. Now very can you say, so put e power x is equal to t. Now the given equation will become, so therefore this is equal to t power 4 plus 8 into t cube plus 13 into t square minus 8t plus 1. So this is definitely a symmetric equation of second type. So this type of problem, how to do? There is a fixed procedure is there to do this type of problem. So what is the fixed procedure? Divide this equation with the t square on both sides. Divide this equation with the t square on both sides. So t to the power of 4 by t square. So this is equal to t square. So this is equal to 8t plus 13 minus 8 by t plus 1 by t square is equal to 0. So this t square plus 1 by t square, put it on the side. So take 8 common outside, t minus 1 by t plus 13 is equal to 0. 8 common, t minus 1 by t is equal to 13. So see here, put again one substitution, t minus 1 by t is equal to some u. Right, squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, you will get t square plus 1 by t square minus u. So u square plus 2. So here minus 2 will come. So if you goes that side, plus 2. Now the equation will become, so this is equal to u square plus 2 plus 8 into u plus 13 is equal to 0. So this is a u square plus 8u plus this is a 15 is equal to 0. U square 8u plus 2 plus 13, 15. U square, so this is a factorization. So this factorization is equal to u plus 3 into u plus 5 is equal to 0. Clear factors. U plus 3 and u plus 5 is equal to 0. Now therefore u is equal to minus 3 or u is equal to minus 5. But actually what is your u? What is your u? Your u is nothing but t minus 1 by t. So this is equal to t minus 1 by t. Otherwise you can take this side, and unnecessarily you have taken t minus 1 by t plus 5 is equal to 0. So we have got the two quadratic equation, t square plus 3t minus 1 is equal to 0, t square plus 5t minus 1 is equal to 0. So we got a two quadratic equation in terms of t. Okay, now let us go back to t is equal to e power x. Solve these two equations, we will get the solution. Okay, so let us continue the solution. So let us calculate this t value. So therefore t is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square. So that 25 minus 4ac plus 4, 25 plus 4, 29 by 2, and here t is equal to minus 3 plus or minus b square 9, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13 by 2a. So therefore, but what is our t? What is our t? T is nothing but e power x. So always we know that e power x is always positive quantity. That's why here we have to take minus 5 plus root 29 by 2, and here e power x is equal to minus 3 plus root 30 by 2. Okay, now therefore x is equal to log of this value, x is equal to log of this value. So 2 real roots you will get. 2 real roots you will get. So 2 real roots. So e power x, x is equal to log of this value, x is equal to log of this value. So we will get 2 real roots. Okay, now. So very easy problem this is. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So here there are two sets are there, S and T. The set S is defined as a comma b such that a comma b belongs to I, and 2 plus a by b greater than 0, and 2 plus a by b greater than 0. And here a comma b such that a, b are integers, and a square minus b square belongs to I. So we have to check whether they are transitive or symmetric, only symmetric and transitive. One thing is clear, very clear. See the second set T, this is the condition. So that means what? A square minus b square is an integer. This implies b square minus a square is also integer, belongs to an integer, set of integers. Everybody knows. Why? Because see here 3 minus 4 is an integer, therefore 4 minus 3 is also an integer. Therefore T is clearly a symmetric relation. T is clearly a symmetric relation. Now see the options. See the option. T is not symmetric, but T is symmetric. Therefore, we can avoid option D. We can avoid option D. Now let us concentrate on S. Clearly, S is not symmetric. S is not symmetric. Why? Because see here, the condition is what? 2. I am talking about S. 2 plus a by b is greater than 0. 2 plus 1 by minus 3 greater than 0. So here see here 2 plus minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is greater than 0. Is 2 plus minus 1 by, see here a and b are integers. So I have taken a integer, b integer, minus 1 by 3 greater than 0. Okay, now right. So how can you say here 3 2s are 6, 6, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5 by 3 greater than 0. But 2 plus b by a, is it greater than 0? Let us check here. 2 plus, make it upside down, so that is equal to 3 by minus 1. 2 plus 3 by minus 1. Let us check whether it is greater than 0. So here a by b, b by a. So here minus 2, see here, minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? 1. 1 by minus 1, otherwise 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is less than 0. Therefore, so this is not satisfied. This is not satisfied. Understand? Therefore, S is not symmetric. S is not symmetric. S is not symmetric. T and S are both symmetric. So T and S are both symmetric. This is also wrong. So T is symmetric, but S is not symmetric. S is not transitive. So here you can check for transitive also, not check. Here T and S are both are transitive. T is symmetric, okay, but S is not symmetric. It is not symmetric, I think. It is not symmetric. So option C is the clearly answer. T is symmetric, but S is not symmetric. So that is the correct answer. T is symmetric, but S is not symmetric. That is the correct answer. Okay, now. So I hope that, but it is T is a T is a transitive. T is a transitive, and S cannot be the transitive. Let us check by taking these examples. Let us check it. Okay, na? Right. I hope that you understand the solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So this is one of the we can say it is not a difficult problem, but some calculation oriented problem. Okay, subject oriented problem. So you have to know the basic fundamental concepts to solve this problem. So let us first read the problem and understand the problem. Foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane intersecting axis at A, B and C is 2, A, 4. Up to that very clear. Area of the tetrahedron OABC is 144, right? Area of the tetrahedron, square units, then the value of A. So first of all, this is a three-dimensional system. So this is a three-dimensional system problem. So and it is a x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and it is origin. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and origin. There is a plane is there. So it is a plane. It is intersecting x-axis at A and y-axis at B and z-axis at C. So z-axis at C. Okay now. And the foot of the perpendicular. That means if it is a this red color is a plane. So this is a plane. From this, the foot of the from origin to the foot of the perpendicular is equal to how much? 2, A, 4. So using this information, we can find out the equation of the plane. And he is asking the area of the tetrahedron. It is given that area of the tetrahedron. See here. So this is a OABC is a tetrahedron. OABC is a tetrahedron. Its area is given. Area of the not area. So this is I think volume. Let us check the problem. So it is not area, it is a volume of the tetrahedron is given, not area. Volume of the tetrahedron OABC is given 144 cubic units. So this is equal to cubic units. Then the value of A is. So first we will find out the what is the equation of the plane. So what is the equation of the plane? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. What is A? drs of the normal. What is normal? 2 minus 0, a minus 0, 4 minus 0. That means this is a 2 into x minus x1. x1 means this is x1, y1, z1. This is x1, y1, z1. So this is equal to 2 into x minus 2 plus a into y minus a, 4 into z minus 4 is equal to 0. C value is 4. 4 minus z minus z1. z1 means 4. See here. So this equation is a 2x plus ay plus 4z. 2 into 2 minus 4. So this is equal to minus a square. Minus 16 is equal to 0. So this is a 2x plus ay plus 4y is equal to 16 plus this is a 20 plus a square. So you better convert it into x-intercept, y-intercept, z-intercept form. Why? Because we required OA, OB, OC. Okay na? So let us convert it into this here for x by 20 by a square by 2 plus y by 20 plus a square by a plus y by 20 plus a square by 4 is equal to 1. So this is a x-intercept, y-intercept, z-intercept. Okay now? Then we will find out the volume of the tetrahedron. Volume of the tetrahedron. Okay now? Let us continue the calculation. Welcome to the remaining calculation. On the whole, up to now what we got? So we got the x-intercept, y-intercept, z-intercept of the plane OABC. Now let us find out the volume of the plane, that is equal to 1/6 of box OA bar, OB bar, OC bar. This is given as 144. we know the volume of the tetrahedron. So that is equal to 1 by 6 of OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, that is equal to 144. Okay now. So let us take this, then how to find out? So here we know that in a three-dimensional system, so this is a bar, let us take a B bar and it is a C bar. So it's starting from O. A bar, B bar, C bar are three vectors. Then box A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but A bar into B bar into C bar. That means their modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar, simply. Okay na? So this is equal to 1 by 6 into OA bar means what? Nothing but x-intercept. OB bar means nothing but y-intercept, length of y-intercept. OC bar means OC bar, modulus of OC bar is nothing but length of the z-intercept. Z-intercept. Okay. So therefore OA means 20 plus A square by 2 is equal to 20 plus A square by A into 20 plus A square by 4 is equal to 144. So thou almost the problem is came to an end to find the value of A. Okay now. So very easy process is so this is not the option type of problem, so it is a integer type of problem. That's why you have to find out the A value. Okay. So here 20 plus A square, 20 plus A square, 20 plus A square. So this is equal to 20 plus A square whole cube. Put A also here. This is equal to remaining all constant terms, take it to right hand side. That is a 144 into 6 into 2 into 4. 144 into 6 into 2 into 4. 20 plus A square whole cube. 20 plus A square, 20 plus A square, 20 plus A square whole cube by A. Understand? Right. Then if you don't expand this, 20 plus A square whole cube means A to the power of 6 you will get. So an equation whose degree is 6 means that is a very difficult to solve. Don't expand. But instead of writing, expanding this, you try to write this as a something cube. Understand? Then for that, how you will write down? So this is equal to 144. So 144 means first you write down 2 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 36 are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 2 36 are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 1 2 3 4. So this is equal to, so here 6 is there. 6 can I write down 2 into 3 into 2 into, here it is a 2 square. Here it is 2 square. Okay now, right. Here 2 how many are there? So this is equal to 2 to the power of, so here let us check here, 4, 5, 6, 8. 8 is there into 3 square into 3. 3 cube is there. 3 cube is there. Okay now. So let us 2 power 8 into 3 cube, whole cube we have to get. Then how to get whole cube? So can I write it as a 2 into 3 cube? If I write whole cube, what remains here? So 2 into 3 only. 2 into 3 whole cube. Here 2 cube. Here 2 only remains here. 2 cube. 2 square. Understand? 2 square. Otherwise, you can write it as a by 2. So here we will do one thing. So this is equal to 2 power 9 into 3 cube by 2. So multiply and divide with 2. 2 power 9 into 3. So 2 power 9 into 3 cube. So here we can write it as a 2 into 3 whole cube, here 3 cube by 2. See here, check anything here, anything here, 2 cube whole cube 9, 3 cube by 2. So here 2, 2. So if you take A is equal to 2, let us check what happens. If A is equal to 2, if you take A is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 20 plus 4, 24. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 whole cube you write down, it will be 24. 2 cube 8, 8 3s are 24. Check here. So this is a cube, 24 whole cube by 2. 24 whole cube by 2. If you take A is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 whole cube. So A is equal to 2. Understand? So we got A is equal to 2. Okay, right. So the value of A is 2. Okay. So this is here the whole thing lies is solving this equation. Instead of expanding this, better convert this constant in this form, something cube by A, something cube by A. So if you take A is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 20 plus 4, 24 cube. So we got 24 cube. Okay, now so like that the whole problem lies here. Okay, right. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class. With some more problems I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.